Are you curious about the differences between eBay and Amazon? You're not alone. Today, we'll dive into how these two giants stack up against each other. Both eBay and Amazon are popular online shopping platforms. They let you buy and sell a wide range of products, but they do it in different ways. Let's start with eBay. eBay is known for auctions. You can bid on items or buy them right away. It's a great place to find unique or second-hand items. Sellers set their own prices, which can lead to some good deals. eBay also has a strong community feel with feedback systems that help buyers and sellers connect. Now, let's look at Amazon. Amazon is more like a traditional store. You browse products, add them to your cart, and check out. It offers fast shipping, especially for Prime members. Amazon also has a huge selection of new items from electronics to groceries. Plus, it features customer reviews that help you make informed choices. So, what are the key differences? eBay focuses on auctions and individual sellers, while Amazon is all about fixed prices and a vast inventory. eBay can be great for finding rare items, but Amazon is often quicker and more convenient for everyday shopping. When it comes to features, eBay has bidding options and seller ratings. Amazon shines with its Prime membership, which offers perks like free shipping and streaming services. In terms of pricing, eBay can sometimes have lower prices due to bidding, but Amazon offers competitive pricing with fast delivery options. So, which one should you choose? If you love hunting for unique items and enjoy bidding, eBay is for you. But if you prefer fast shipping and a wide selection, Amazon is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.